Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate connect SendGrid to Bubble for transactional emails, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate SendGrid to Bubble for transactional emails, start by creating a SendGrid account. Visit SendGrid's website and click on the Start for Free button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in to the SendGrid dashboard. Next, locate the Settings option in the left sidebar and click on it. Select API Keys from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create API Key button. Name your API key and set the appropriate permissions. Once you save the key, copy it securely. Now, log in to your Bubble account. Open the application you want to connect to SendGrid. Navigate to the Plugins section in the Bubble editor. Click on the Add Plugins button. In the search bar, type SendGrid and locate the SendGrid plugin. Install the SendGrid plugin by clicking the Install button. After installation, click on the SendGrid plugin in your plugins list. Here, you will see a field labeled API Key. Paste the API key you copied from SendGrid into this field. Next, navigate to the section of your Bubble app where you want to send transactional emails. Create a new API workflow by clicking on the API Workflows tab. In the workflow, add an action and select the SendGrid option. Choose the action that corresponds to sending an email. Fill out the required fields, including the recipient's email and the content of the email. Customize your email template if desired. Make sure to test the email functionality to ensure proper integration. Once testing is complete, your SendGrid integration with Bubble for transactional emails is now activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.